Well, we have a fantastic solution for you. Consider our Vicenzo Black Series soft closing system ideal for your kitchen island. You can utilize all the unused spaces left in your cabinet, tall unit, or drawer-in-drawer system. The Vicenzo Nero Black Series comes with two aluminum side panels which helps to cool the kitchen interior. It has 6 different dimensions V1 to V6, offering flexibility to suit your space. The customizable width ranges from a minimum of 350 mm to a maximum of 900 mm, making it suitable for various kitchen layouts. In addition, it has dynamic loading capabilities with V1 to V3 porting up to 30 kg and V4 to V6 handling up to 60 kg. What are you waiting for? Get yours now.
Shop now at ExcelHW.com.sg, a Singapore brand.